Handpieces, attachments, and burrs. High-speed handpieces. What is a high-speed handpiece? A handheld drill, usually air-driven, can also be electric, that spins cutting burrs at approximately 400,000 RPM, used for cavity preparation, removal of tooth structures, and margin creation. The high-speed handpiece. Friction grip burr fits into high-speed handpiece. Chuck, lever, or push button tightens burr into the handpiece. The high-speed handpiece is a powerful tool that runs at speeds of up to 400,000 RPM or revolutions per minute. This incredible speed is important for precision treatment like polishing and cleaning the teeth, shaping fillings, crowns, and other restoration work, and anything else where an incredibly deft hand is required. The handpiece is also used for cutting and polishing dental trays for dentures. The high-speed handpiece operates by pushing air through the head to make the burr, the drill-like tip, rotate. Due to its intense speed, the drill requires cooling with water and air to avoid overheating that can cause damage or injury to the patient. It is important to keep these units properly cleaned and oiled to avoid damage. If damage does occur, be sure to have it serviced with the proper dental handpiece repair parts as to avoid the costly need of replacing an entire handpiece. The low-speed handpiece. The low-speed dental handpiece is less intense than its high-speed sibling, operating between 5,000 and 40,000 RPM. Speed can be adjusted with controls on the handle that even pinpoint which burst rotates, as well as the direction of that rotation. These handpieces also do not create such intense heat, making water circulation unnecessary. The lower speed is best used for heavier work like removing cavities and caries and for preparing teeth to receive crowns, fillings, and veneers. Additionally, low-speed handpieces are used for orthodontic and restorative procedures. Due to the slower speed of rotation, these tools tend to have a longer lifespan, owing to less wear and tear and less stress on the mechanical components. However, this is no reason not to have a supply of dental handpiece repair parts on hand. Just like with their high-speed counterparts, regular cleaning, maintenance, and servicing will keep this tool running smoothly, safely, and efficiently for the long haul. Burr with straight long shank fits into straight slow-speed handpiece. Burr with latch-type shank fits into contra-angle slow-speed handpiece or the friction grip burr. High-speed and slow or low-speed handpiece. These handpieces can be contaminated internally with patient material and should be heat sterilized after each patient. Handpieces that cannot be heat sterilized should not be used. Always follow the suggested maintenance procedure supplied with the handpiece. What is air abrasion used for? Air abrasion, also called microabrasion, is a method for removing tooth decay with tiny particles of aluminum oxide or silica. Imagine a miniature sandblaster gently wearing away the decayed material without the friction of a drill. Abrasion is the wearing away of a surface. It may also be referred to as grinding. Irregular grooves or scratches are produced on a surface as the result of abrasion. Handpieces and other intraoral devices that can be removed from the air and water lines of dental units should be cleaned and heat sterilized between patients. What is laser handpiece used for? The laser handpiece uses a beam of light to cauterize soft tissue or to vaporize decayed tooth structures, operated through a fiber optic cable that extends from the console to the laser handpiece. Each handpiece manufacturer has a specific protocols for cleaning their handpieces, so it is best to follow their recommended guidelines. What is an ultrasonic scaler? Ultrasonic scaler, an ultrasonic instrument with a tip for supplying high-frequency vibrations, used to remove plaque and calculus from teeth and bits of inflamed tissue from the walls of the gingival crevice. Ultrasonic scalers are ultrasound to remove calculus deposits from your teeth more effectively. They work mechanically using high vibrational energy that effectively blasts calculus, so it is easier to remove. Ultrasonic scalers also create shock waves that disrupt bacteria biofilms so that the plaque, bacteria, and calculus can be therapeutically flushed from the teeth by a small jet of water or antibacterial mouthwash which is emitted from near the top of the scaler. The ultrasonic scaler insert should be sterilized after each use. This is done by using both good cleaning and sterilizing techniques. What is contra-angle handpieces used for? Contra-angle handpieces, a handpiece dental drill in which two or more angles or bends are used to set the shaft at a desired angle to access hard-to-reach areas of the oral cavity. One of the double or triple angles in the shank of an instrument by means of which the cutting edge or point is brought into the axis of the handle. An extension piece added to the end of the dental handpiece, which through a set of bevel gears changes the angle of the axis of rotation of the bore in relation to the axis of the handpiece. What is a propy angle used for? A propy angle is used with propy cup or propy brush along with polishing paste to remove plaque. The tool allows a comfortable working angle for dental hygienists. 90-degree and 105-degree angle tools provide a choice of working angles. The propy angle has a plastic housing with a shaft drive for powering the cup, and brush can be attached to a low-speed handpiece. This picture of propy angles are disposable propies. Straight shank or lab burr. Dental burrs, the tiny drill pieces for teeth. Dental burrs are used in conjunction with the dentist's handpiece for cutting away hard tissue such as tooth and bone. There are a huge range of burrs with different materials, shapes, and sizes to suit different situations and procedures. Shanks. Shanks make up the long part of the burr piece. Shanks have different ends to attach to different types of handpieces and are available in different lengths to enable attachment to specific handpieces. The long straight shank. Long straight shanks are used on slow-speed handpieces, most commonly used for diamond cutting discs. Long straight shanks are also